नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्माङ्गराकाय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय।
Even in the family of gods, there comes a time when the question of marriage must be raised. And so it was at the house of Shiva.
You both have grown to be the most impressive boys. Strong, intelligent, virtuous and handsome.
You have made us proud. Now it's time for your real lives to begin. We want to celebrate your marriage.
But we cannot decide who should be married first.
Since I was born from the hands of our mother Devi, it seems fair that I be married first.
What? I am the eldest son and I was born of our father's essence. Of course, it should be me first.
You're both equally worthy. There is no simple answer to this question.
I will make this much simpler. I think the contest is in order.
Tell me what to do, father. I am prepared for any battle.
If it's your wish that I compete with my brother, I am also ready.
This is a time in your life in which you must face the world.
Unless you know your world, you cannot lead your wife to prosperity.
Both of you must travel around the world. The first one to return will be married.
Interesting concept. When do we start?
I am starting now. Our father has given the command.
With great determination, Kartikeya flew around the world. Along the way, he faced terrible storms. He faced demons. He even stopped to help those in danger.
My friend, this journey is much more difficult than I thought. Where is my brother? I hope he is okay.
Meanwhile, Ganesha was off to a slow start.
Son, aren't you interested in winning?
Of course, I am, father. I am quite serious about this race.
Then I suggest you get started.
Yes, you are right. Mushika, please come.
Ganesha fastened a tiny harness around Mushika, his mouse.
Now, take me around the world.
You're hardly moving alone.
I don't think we should interfere. Let Ganesha and Kartikeya do things in their own ways.
After the toughest part of their journey, Kartikeya allowed his peacock some time to rest.
You'll feel much better after this.
Protecting his faithful peacock, Kartikeya took on a pack of hungry beasts.
We have endured so many difficulties, and still, Ganesha hasn't caught up with us.
Almost home, Kartikeya realized that there was no sign of his brother Ganesha.
I think we are going to win. My marriage awaits. What are you doing here? Surely, you could not have traveled that quickly.
Well, Mushika worked very hard in pulling me around the world.
Kartikeya, he never left the cave.
Then I have done it. I have arrived first. When is my marriage to take place?
I am so sorry to say, dear brother, that you will be celebrating my marriage. I arrived first.
No, I did.
I did.
No, I did.
I was here first. Plain and simple.
How dare you say that? You've done nothing.
Not true. I traveled all around mother and father.
I traveled around the world.
Ah, so have I. Because mother and father is my whole world.
Now, who could argue with that?
I don't believe this.
Kartikeya, please relax. You have both won in your own ways. Kartikeya, you have won from your single-minded determination and endurance. Ganesha, you have won by a balance of heart and mind, love and intellect.
Whoever worships Kartikeya will gain strength. Whoever worships Ganesha will gain wisdom. These are the two aspects of my power, my Shakti.
How about a flight together?
Okay, let's do it.
Our boys are growing up.
Ganesha transformed his mouse into a giant rodent and flew off into the sky, with Kartikeya flying beside him. Whether taking the simple or the difficult path, two greatly determined gods achieved the same end through sincerity of action and devotion to their parents.
नाशकाय श्रीनीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय तस्मै शिकाराय नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय वसिष्ठकुम्भोद्भव गौतमादि मुनीन्द्रदेवार्चितशेखराय चन्द्रार्कवैश्वानरलोचनाय तस्मै वका शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्ताय सनातनाय दिव्याय देवाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय